Okay everyone, this is a short little tutorial for my Badger and Blade brothers and sisters. I actually have been seeing lately that there's some question as to how to clean razors, if they do it on a daily basis, etc, etc. So I thought I'd give you a short quick little tutorial on what I actually do. This is probably geared a little bit more for the newbies. Typically when I'm done with my razor, I actually just give it a little squirt with hot water out of the faucet, you know, and let it kind of just shake it dry and put it up. I've actually got in my case, or my little drawer that I keep my razors, a couple of the silica gel desiccants. I do try to keep them pretty dry because now that I've downsized, I actually keep my straights also in the same drawer. Anyway, every once in a while, I very rarely do all of my razors at once, which is another thing. Those that have known me for quite a while will probably looking at this going, wow, he really has downsized, but I have kept all those. I just cleaned them and put them up, and this is my preference as to what razors I actually like to use. You can use a lot of different things for a more thorough cleaning. I happen to pick this up at Target. It's typically what everybody's recommending, but I've used just basically the off-brand, just something that knocks down the soap residue. You can use a liquid-based soap also, like a dish soap, like Dawn, etc. So I've got all of my razors laid out here that are in my rotation that really need to kill a little bit of the soap residue. But I'm really going to probably just show you the one. I'm going to start with this 38C here, just to give you an idea on the breakdown, etc. I think maybe that'll help a little bit. Okay, so the reason why I'm doing this is I got to thinking about it a little bit. On the ones that are the 3-piece or 2-piece that do not unscrew very easily, I usually leave until I need to change the blade. Well, I think I'm going to kind of start doing this a little bit differently. Whoops, forgot 38C. In that I'm probably going to, when I shave with it, loosen it up, rinse with hot water, and then I will, at that point, then I'm probably going to leave the blade out. As you can see, I've got an Israeli Persona in there. It's really my go-to blade. I really like those a lot. Okay, so this may or may not look like it needs to be cleaned, but it's actually got some residue on it, and I just want to kind of knock that off a little bit. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the spray. Typically I do this over the sink, but it's going to be easier to do this so you can see. Just give it a light little spray all over. Doesn't take much. I kind of forgot to show you that I've got some brushes that I picked up also from, I don't know where, you know, some sort of drugstore. They're actually made for people that have dentures, and I like that I can get into places a little bit earlier with that, or a little bit better with that. So all I'm doing is I just give it a little, really the chemical has done the work for me. I don't have to really do much at all. Just give it a light little scrub like so. Pay attention here to the underside of the head. Definitely probably the biggest area is right here under the razor pan, I call it. Now, then I'm giving it a quick little burst of water, which you can't see. Looks like it's off camera. I don't know if you can tell. Actually, tons better. Now in this case, because of the fact that I'm a little bit concerned about some of the modern razors with the chrome plating, I don't really want that to be an issue. I think that's why I've decided I'm going to start rinsing a little bit better when I'm done. There's the top of the head, bottom of the head here. I'm going to start paying attention a little bit better as far as the cleaning and letting it actually air dry. Anyway, that's about all you needed to know. As you can see, I gave it a quick rinse. I'll probably go ahead and take this particular towel, give it a quick wipe, and then I'm going to put them up and I'll be done. Thanks for watching.